Climate adaptation is a priority because climate change is now upon us and we're seeing the impacts on public transport systems and services, and it's really important that we adapt to climate change so that we can continue to operate, we can keep people safe, we can keep a good quality service and ultimately improve the health and well-being of our citizens. So UITP have published this climate change adaptation framework because what we found is many of the organisations within UITP don't really know where to start when it comes to climate change adaptation, and compared to decarbonisation, we're probably about a decade behind. So this framework is a really simple guide for all the different types of organisations to give them that kind of starting point to begin their journey of climate change adaptation. So how the framework really works is, first of all, you understand your maturity, and there's different guides in there about how you'll do that. Then you start to assess your risks, develop options, prioritise those options, implement them, and importantly, learn from what you've done so that you can get better and continue around that cycle. And there's a 7-step process that we put in the climate change adaptation framework. Obviously, we need to adapt to climate change so we can minimise the impacts and rely less on resilience. But also, climate change adaptation is a really powerful way to help transform our transport services and our built environment to just make better places for people. Because an adapted transport system, an adapted city, is a greener city full of nature. It's really welcoming, it's improving the health and well-being of citizens within those spaces, and regenerating nature. So what we really want is people to want to adapt to climate change all the time, not just after there's been an extreme event.